guys, so today I will be showing you several bun hairstyles for people who have long hair, especially if you really have to put your hair up every day. Alright, so the first hairstyle that I will show you guys is the low bun. Alright, so I just parted my hair in the middle. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to gather all of my hair at the back and I'm just going to leave my bangs right here. And now what you'll have to do is just twist the hair and then wrap it in a bun. Then once you get here, go ahead and secure it with bobby pins. Alright, so now you can leave this hairstyle as is or add this little clip right here. It's a ribbon. And I just put it right here. Just like that. So you can definitely leave your hair looking like this. However, with me, I like to curl the ends like this. Alright, this is totally optional, but for me I think it looks cute when there's a little bit of, waves. So this is what the hairstyle looks like. I think this hairstyle is super cute and it's dainty. Alright, so the second bun hairstyle is something that you can wear in formal occasions. That there. And then what I'll do is I will take the hair like this and I'm just going to be doing a French twist. Till I reach there. I'm going to take this and hold it there for a little while. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side. Now from here, either what you can do with the rest of your hair is you can braid it or either do just the twist as well. Again, I'm going to make twists. And now, it's actually up to you if you want to let it remain here or if you want to angle the bun here at the side. So I'm going to make the bun more like here at the side. Make it kind of like a side bun. So that's what it's going to look like. So you're kind of going to have a bun that kind of looks like that, just hanging here at the side, and then I'm just gonna bobby pin that in place. Alright, so this is what it looks like right here. You can add on some flowers right here at the bun to make it a little more fun. And also, this hairstyle is very quick and easy to do and it's not time consuming. Alright, so for the last hairstyle is probably one of the most requested, and that is the space buns. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna get this one as well. Same thing on this side, and then the rest I'm going to put it up. So you want the ponytail to be this high right here, and then of course just start twisting the hair and form a bun. Alright, so if you guys notice, I'm twisting, but in the end I am going to flatten the hair just like that, so y'all can see, so that you'll have a smooth bun that looks like that. That's what it looks like right there. Now go ahead and just bobby pin that in place. Alright, so it's gonna look something like that. I'm gonna take the section on the other side as well and do the exact same thing. So that's what it looks like right there. I think they kind of look even now, because usually if I make these hair buns, the other one is usually bigger than the other one. But basically that's what it looks like right there. This is actually one of my go-to hair buns lately, just because, the weight is actually equal on my head and it's not just one big nest bun right here. Some people call it inside Mada bun. So anyway, you guys, this is what it looks like. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you all found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I will see you in my next one.